I am going to show you exactly how you can unfollow every single person on your TikTok accounts at once. As you guys can see in my profile, I am following exactly 0 people and I have exactly 0 followers. However, if you do have a crap ton of following and you want to just unfollow all of them at once, I'm going to show you exactly how you do that. So first things first, you want to click on the 3 lines on the top right corner. And then now you want to click on settings and privacy. From here, you want to scroll down and then you want to look for report a problem under support and about. And then once the page loads, you want to scroll down and then click on followers / likes / comments. It should be under their topics. And then once you enter this page, you want to click on follow and then click on following and unfollowing users right over here. So right here in this page, TikTok is trying to ask if your problem is resolved. So just click on no. And then now you want to click on need more help right over here. So now it's going to lead you to a custom page where you can tell TikTok exactly what your problem is. So we're just going to tell TikTok to help us unfollow everyone on your TikTok account. And then once you write your message, just simply click on submit. And then now basically in a couple hours to up to 1 day, then TikTok is going to help you unfollow every single person